How to fix rainbow 6-stage make not working. I have mentioned some of the solution here which I'm going to show you in the screen, so don't worry. So first of all, you have to go to the search bar and search for sound mixer option. You can just type it here, right? Now you will be redirected here. Now you will get this option of output device. So here, this is the input. So make sure you just, if you have already plugged your, wire of microphone, just make sure you have selected the correct option here. Same way for the output device too. Right, this is very important. So make sure you just in the input device, and here make sure that the game sound is on full. Right, sometimes the game sound or whatever the application you have open, you can just control the sound bar from here for the specific. So this is the most important thing here. Now guys, you will find another option which is microphone permission. So whenever you plug a permission, you see a notification bar that whether you want to give the allow the access to it or not. So make sure you have allowed it and you have turned it on. Now this is microphone boost. This is optional, so you have to right click on your make select properties and go to the levels tab. So this microphone is basically the same thing which I've shown you, that you can control the sound from here, right? And this is how you can do it. Now this is very important. Just go to the game sound and there will go, you have to go to the options and audio and make sure your voice chat device is on, right? Sometimes there is push to talk option, so there's a one more option, so make sure you have checklist the correct option. So in this way you can just fix this issue. I hope you found this video very useful.